This is a hand voice. Welcome back to CAD tutorial. Today we are going to create a simple hand voice in SolidWorks. We will create each and every part and assemble at the end. So let's see how to make this simple exercise in SolidWorks. Hand voice assembly, a new exercise in SolidWorks. Here we will create each and every part and assemble at the end. Now we have a 3D or isometric view. Now you will see, first let me check, note all dimensions are in millimeter, corner radius 1 millimeter, otherwise specified. Okay, now here check the table. We have 8 number of parts. The part 1 is alloy steel teak wood, 1 number. Now which one is part 1? This is the part 1, handle. Now see the upper part, 16 by 16, height you will see here 40 millimeter. Then at bottom 10 square. This depth you will observe from here. This depth going to inside up to 12 millimeter. Okay. Then there is one hole at center, 16 millimeter, 2 dia, S7. Okay. Then here we have, see, let's make 6 dia hole here, 6 dia hole, this one also, and this is the middle one is a screw M8. Okay, third one. And you will see the distance, the hole you will observe from here also, because these jaws are going to clamp with this 8 millimeter 2032 at center. So first I am going to create first part, top plane, sketch. Now activate center rectangle and draw here 16, tap 16, enter, right click, exit, extrude, and make this end condition blind and depth make 40 millimeter. Make it reverse direction. Choose here direction, change direction. Okay. Now select the bottom face, sketch, again activate center rectangle. Now here make 10, tap 10, enter, right click, exit. See, this is fully defined sketch. Go to feature and again activate extruded boss base feature. See, start condition always same because this is going to extrude from one plane. Now end condition or direction 1, blind, and depth how long? According to drawing it's 12 millimeter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we have 3 holes, so we will use sketch. Now let me activate here center line, right click, choose select and exit. Now let's make here hole. Now the first hole is going to be 6. Now the center one, not center one, and this is going to be 8, right click, exit. Now let's select these two equal, smart dimension. Now let's define one by one from this edge, 8 millimeter. Now second one 20 millimeter, and the third one 32 millimeter. If you see by default 24 millimeter given in drawing. Now select extruded cut and make here cut through all, end condition keep through all, and you will see arrow moves perfect direction. Now let me select this face, sketch, activate, and let's make at center 2 dia circle, smart dimension. I am going little fast because it's 16 millimeter. Okay, still this is not defined, so we have to define one constraint. So select this origin point, press and hold shift key and select this center point, and once you leave shift key you will see this pop up vertical. See, extruded cut. Again I am going to choose here end condition through all and see the arrow moving perfect direction. See, now let's make handle. Now handle length check 90 millimeter. Now this curve 150 and here one curve R13, and here we have this outer diameter 23, then this inner diameter 18. Okay, this height we are going to select 90 millimeter overall length from here, and this height from here to here 8 millimeter, and from here to here also 8 millimeter. Okay, so which plane? Right plane. Sketch, activate is start from here and make this line 90, enter, right click, exit. Okay, and start somewhere here, exit. Now let's define 3-point arc. See, again let's define 3-point arc, exit. Now let's make this one at this, make this point tangent, smart dimension, this is going to be 13 and this is going to be 150. Okay, let's check what else we can do. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to here it's 8 millimeter. Okay, again 8 millimeter. Fine. Now these diameter given 18 millimeter and this point 23. Okay, we have fully defined sketch. Simply activate here revolve boss base face. Now due to this construction line, this is open geometry, so system asks would you like sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now look, by default system took this center line as an axis of revolution and it's make 360-degree. Unmerge this result. Okay, now fillet here constant type 1 millimeter radius, and I'm going to select this face and this edge. Okay, now select this face, sketch. Okay, let's not this one, extruded boss base, select this one, convert entity. See, now I want to cut, extrude cut, not through all, depth only 4 millimeter because this is the length 12 millimeter, from here to this face 8, so only 4 millimeter remaining. Okay, now let's hide this part and see. Now right click, show. Now here this is the first part, right click, material, edit material, and alloy steel, apply, close. Now the second one is bottom, right click, material, edit material, and this is going to be wood, wood, teak, apply, close. Now appearance you can edit from here, organic, wood, teak. Now here you have many materials, you can polish the teak. Okay, see, Now let's save this one. Desktop, save, hand voice. There is already one. Okay. This is part 1 handle. Save. Let's make the next part is guide pin part number 2, and this is the part number 2. There are 2 pins. You will see guide pin alloy steel, length 54 millimeter, see, diameter 6, fit H6. Okay, now front plane sketch, activate circle, 6, enter. Now select this dimension and here in tolerance choose fit. Now this is going to shaft here, so drop down and here choose shaft fitting, F6. Now this decimal, let's say 0. See here, fitting like press fit. Okay, extrude. Now here make 54, but make it mid plane, so it makes ease for during assembly. Now right click on unspecified material, edit material, alloy steel, apply, close, save. Now this is part 2, guide pin. Now let's make the third part, screw. Screw we need 1. Now this is the screw, and this screw detail you will observe here. This upper RA, this is the surface finish. Okay. Now length 60, M8 means outer diameter we will keep M8, but here there is a catch. There is a one groove, 2 diameter, then there is a one hole at 6 millimeter here. This is machine thread M8 left hand side, and this one only M8 means right hand side. Okay, so these two are different. So let's do this. This is 26, this center one 2 millimeter groove, then 26 with up to hole, then there is a 6 millimeter. Now front plane sketch, circle. Now let's make this one 8, extruded boss base, and make mid plane, and length let's say 60. Okay. Right plane sketch, let me select circle, make this diameter 2, smart dimension 22. Okay. Now select the upper line and this one coincide. See, activate here revolve cut. Now see, this center line detected by system as a axis of revolution. Keep end condition blind and angle 360 degree, because I want to cut complete 360 degree. See here. Now let's make, okay, hole we will make later. Let's add here thread. Okay. Now let me select this face, edge and face. The thread going to start from here. Okay, up to selection. Now up to selection means let's say this edge. Okay, you will see the preview. Now I'm going to use offset, so little 1 millimeter here, so the edges will be, it seems perfect, but see there is a little outside thread, going thread. Now one more thing we have to, here I want to cut thread, so choose here metric die. See, this is going to cut thread, cut thread, this side left hand. Okay, now here choose trim with start face, so See, this is trimmed with end face. See here, this is also trimmed. Okay. See. Similarly, I am going to do for this end thread. Okay. Edge, let's say this one. Select face. Now up to I am going to select this edge. Now everything is same. I am going to define offset 1 millimeter. Reverse. Keep little outside, then trim it. That's the better of things. Metric die M81. Now this side I am going to make a right hand thread. Trim with start face, trim with end face. Means after or boundary the thread going to trim. See. Right click, sketch, activate circle, 1.5, enter, exit. Now let me select any this edge, 6. Okay. Okay, we need to cut. So select this origin point, hold shift key, select this center point, make horizontal. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Now here choose extruded cut through all both. Okay. Now see, the hole is created. The pin is going to. Now material, same alloy steel, edit material, apply, close. Third part is screw. Now jaw 2, jaw 1. This is jaw 2, jaw 1. Okay, the hole and everything is same, just we saved in with 2 name. Okay, only difference is in jaw 2. Okay, first we will create jaw 1, then jaw 2. 8. Overall height you will see 50, 40, 16 millimeter width, 8 millimeter, and depth here you will see 8 millimeter depth. And this side thread is M8, left hand side thread. Then there is a 2 hole. You will see here. Let's do this. And the other side is thread is actually M, left hand thread. Sorry, right hand thread. So right sketch, activate line tool, exit. Smart dimension, this is given 40, 50, 8, and distance from here to here 18. Now simply extrude. Okay, make reverse so that we will understand. Depth or thickness 8. Oh no, this is 16. Now here thin feature 8 millimeter. See. Now select this face, sketch. Now here we have to make 3 hole. Six. Then here 1, 7. Because for M8 thread the hole size should be 7 or 6 point something. We are going for 7. Okay. 8. 20. 24. Select these two equal. Extruded cut. Not extruded wall, but extruded cut. Keep through all. Say OK. See? Now you will see there is a knurling also. So let's do some knurling also. Select this face, sketch, activate line tool and connect with this. Okay, this is the path, exit, sketch. Okay, now select this all edges equal and let's define, let's say 0.4. And previous sketch point and this point coincide. Now see, it seems fully defined. Now choose your swift boss base, no, not swift boss base, exit, swift cut. Sketch profile, profile already selected, choose path. Now option follow path or keep normal. We don't need to, let's keep, see, linear pattern. Let me select this. Here choose feature and let's make the gap 0.5 or let's make little 0.6. Direction 2 also we need to define. So I'm going to define this direction. So there is an increase. The whole thing's going to cover. See. Okay, let's edit. Defined only 2. And here defined, forget 0.6. Okay. Yes. Now it seems better. Thread. Okay. Let's select this edge. Select this face. Now up to selection. Here. No, not here. Clear. Start up to selection this face. Now here we need to cut thread. So I am going to choose tab. M8. Okay. Now this side is left hand. Again the same funda I am going to apply here. offset 1 millimeter. You will see both side little extra, so trim it with start, trim with exit. Okay, that's it. Material, alloy steel, apply close. Now let me save this. This is going to be jaw 1. Now I'm going to change only thread. Right click for jaw 2, edit. Now for this I'm going to change right hand thread. That's it, everything same. Now this one save as jaw 2. Now the next part is DIN. This is wing nut. See here, there is a hole 1.54 distance from here. This one we will directly took from toolbar in while SolidWorks assembly. So we are not going to draw this one. Then come to handle pin 7. This is the pin, 16 dia length, 2 diameter. 16 millimeter is length and diameter is 2 millimeter and fit is H6, and this is going to fit here. Now then there is a one more thing, pin number 8, screw pin. This is also length 16 but diameter 1.5. Okay, front plane sketch, activate circle, and here 2. Now select these 2 and here choose fit, press fit. Now shaft is H6, this is going to be H6. Okay, H6 fit, decimal 0. See here, extrude, make length 16 millimeter. Okay, material, alloy steel, apply close. Now this is going to be handle pin, save. Now for screw pin we will just change this. Click this, we are going to change this 1.5. Okay, and length is same. See, let's check diameter 1.5. Save as screw pin. Save. Now we did all the parts, total 8 parts. Include nut we will bring while assembly. Let's do the assembly for hand voice. Now let's do the assembly. We will fix this guide pin at center. This screw also going to fix, and this going to screw with this, and this pin is going. Okay, let's do this one by one. New, select here assembly. Okay, now by default first part, let me select. Okay, handle, open. Okay, this is going to be perfect position. Drop down and here choose origin. Now just move cursor over origin and see this is going to fix with origin. So click, right click. Okay, let me change little, increase quality, image quality. Now I am going to hide. Insert component. Now guide pin, control key, screw, open. Now select here, select here. Now press control key, select this one and drag. Fine. Now let's activate mat, standard mat. Now I am going to select this one and the hole. Concentric relation, okay. Similarly do for this. Concentric relation, okay. Now here go to advance. Activate width mat. Because I want to fix this one at the center of this. So select in first column, select the faces of both end. In second column, select the faces of both end of handle. And you will see this is going to fix at the center. Say OK. Now let's do similarly for this. Select this face, this face. Okay, first let me activate width. Now automatically it will shift from here to here. Let me select this face and this face and you will see the preview. Okay. Now what else? Go to standard mat. Now select this internal face. Now this face. Don't make tangent. Undo. Drop down here, show temporary axis. Now select this center line and the center line of this hole. Coincident mat. See. Okay. Now we have to fix this hole and this groove. So let me select this face and this face and here choose distance. Now distance going to be defined from there. So it's going to be 19. Say OK. Cancel. Hide temporary axis and let me select right plane, sketch. Okay, we missed something here. Open this. Now for groove. Okay, look. We put here, this should be 1 millimeter this and 26. It should be 27. 26 the length and the 1 millimeter this 26. Save. Cancel. See, would you like rebuild the assembly now? Say yes. Now check section view. Now look, the hole is going to perfectly met this groove. Okay. Exit. Now let's fix the pin here. Handle pin. Now let's rotate this. So what axis? Y axis. Click and this is going to rotate. Now I am going to select mate. Select this whole concentric relation. Okay. Now the length of pin and this width of this body or handle is same. So select this face and this face. Okay. Let's check section view and see. Let's bring the jaw. Jaw 1, jaw 2. Open. Okay, this is going to jaw 1. Jaw 2 we have to rotate. Which axis? Let's say Y. Again one more time. Okay, that's fine. Click and place. Smart diamond. Let's click mat. Select this one and this pin. Okay. Similarly, this pin and this. Similarly, do for this concentric mat. Let's this hole and this pin concentric mat. Now, before going to lose anything, let me save this one. Hand voice assembly. Now here let's create some screw thread. Before going to create some screw thread, I'm going to make some relation here, temporary relation. Select this face, coincide. Okay. Similarly, let me choose this face, coincide. Okay, this is temporary. Okay, let's apply some screw relation. Now activate here temporary axis. Go to mechanical. Now here I am going to choose first this one. Now this is the axis of jaw 1. Now this is the screw axis. 1 millimeter revolution per mm, because our pitch is 1 mm. Reverse direction. Okay. Now let's do the similarly for this end. Select this one. See here axis of screw 1. Now. Okay. Axis of jaw 2. See? Screw. But here make sure uncheck the reverse, because this side is left thread, this side is right thread. So both move together. Say OK. Cancel. Let me hide this. Suppress. Okay. Now let's try. See, both is moving reverse. See, both moving opposite direction just because left and right thread. This is not going to close completely, but that's see. Now let's save this one. Insert component. Now what? There is a screw pin 1.5. Okay, just y direction, something like this. Now I want to go to toolbar, add-ins. Now here go to DIN, nut, go to miscellaneous, and here we have wing nut DIN 315. Just drag it here. Now, okay, this is going to be M8. That's fine. Cancel. Now we need to make a hole here. Open. Okay. Plane 2, sketch, circle. Make sure you're just above the origin. 1.5, enter. Now I am going to make this whole distance, actually in drawing is 4 mm, but here I am going to make little more less, because this should be going to attach 2 millimeter. Extruded cut. Select through all both. Okay. Make image quality higher. See, this is too low. That's why the shape is not look so good. Let me save this. Save as. Now go to desktop and voice. Now this is the name. Save. Cancel. Would you like the rebuild assembly? Say yes. Okay. Let's go to mat. Select this one and this one. Concentric mat. Okay. Now let me drop down and screw. Screw plane, let's say right plane, and just find out screw pin. Press Control key. Okay, we forget to do here. Open screw, click open screw, extruded boss base, make this one mid plane. See, cancel, yes, yes. Now let me select right plane. Now front plane, press Control key, front plane, mat. Now you will see this is going to fit exactly at center. Fine. Okay. Again mat. Select this one and this hole. Concentric relation. Now let me drop down and the wing nut. Let's check. Okay, this is the exactly wing nut, screw, front. Okay, cancel. See, okay, this is exactly fix, something like this. So mat, select this one and this one, parallel, fine. Let's try again. Oh, that's it. Even though you can make relation, but that's the we did it. Choose the normal. I think we did. Now let's even let me save this one. Now let's explode. First let's drag pin. Done here. Select this one. Drag here. Undo. Done. Select this, drag here parallel to our pin. Done. Not handle, I want to choose only pin. Done. Now select both pin. Done. Let make little down. Done. Say OK. Now right click on assembly, choose here collapse, save. Now let's save this one, motion manager. Now here choose basic motion, 50 frames per second. Explode. Next, 9 minute, better to choose 6 minute. Start 0, finish. Again choose collapse. Next, start 6 minute. Oh, sorry, 6 minute and start 6 minute. Finish. Calculate. That's it. So don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.